Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the client and confirming the skin exists in your collection or store. Once done, make sure you have the currency, RP, gift codes, or crafting shards available. Open the store tab and navigate to skins so you can act immediately. Don't waste time on menus. If purchasing, select the skin page and review any available chromas or bundles. This first step primes everything so the rest of the process is smooth and uninterrupted. You now complete the acquisition, purchase the skin, or use shards to craft it. Once unlocked, go to Collection and open the Champion Skin page. Here you can inspect and apply chromas or buy linked emotes and bundles. Make sure to click the specific chroma swatch if you want color variants and press Apply to save changes. If a bundle offers cost savings, compare contents quickly and decide. Doing this carefully ensures your chosen look loads cleanly in-game. You finish by validating the skin in Champion Select and in-game. Select your champion and check the preview to confirm the chosen skin and chroma are active. If not, return to Collection and manually equip it before lock-in. Once in the loading screen, watch the model to ensure textures appear. If they don't, restart the client, clear the client's cache, or relog. This simple troubleshooting tip resolves most issues and gets your skin displaying correctly for the match.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.